Welcome back to AI Prompt. Even in this digital age, when I'm in the office, I find myself working on a whiteboard with my team. The downside is always at the end of the meeting, when I really want to get those notes into OneNote, where I keep all of my other meeting notes. Did you know Copilot can help you here? Let's take a look. While I was in a recent meeting, I did the classic hack to capture the whiteboard. I took a photo with my cell phone and I inserted it right into a page on OneNote. Now, I need to share this team alignment with others in my company, and I really don't want to retype everything. So let's have Copilot help us. I open the Copilot pane and I copy and paste the image, and then I give it the prompt, please extract the names of each team and organize them alphabetically with bullets. Copilot will extract all the text and organize each team alphabetically for me. Truth be told, it probably does a better job reading my handwriting than I would do. Now I can simply copy and paste that back onto my page, clean up any areas that it missed reading my handwriting. This should be Scout, not Scott here. And now I'm ready to use it in my messaging to the org. And while this works in Copilot for Word and Copilot for PowerPoint as well, I personally find it the most useful in OneNote. And that's this week's AI Prompt of the Week. If you found this useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who you think might find value. I'll see you next time.